school, we have enjoyed following Rhys Patton Jones videos on YouTube.
Rydyn ni'n dwylu gwneud doodles. Here are some examples. So when we heard there was a competition of Rhys Patton Jones possibly coming to visit the school, we were excited to enter.
Rydyn ni cyfoes iawn.
Yay!
Towards the end of lockdown, all the juniors had an online activity looking at locality.
Busy and immersed in Sgwâr. We have searched around Llanelli and found lots of interesting things. All of the children sent their ideas.
Gawson ni syniadau.
Beth am ddigwyddiadau hanes Stradey?
What about local history?
My llwyth of hanes, we have lots of history.
Llanelli riots.
Amelia Earhart landed a plane. Llanelli beat the All Blacks.
And we also have the National and Eisteddfod.
Oes pobl enwog yn Mural Cystadleuaeth. Other famous people for Llanelli.
Terry Griffiths, Hugh Edwards, Phil Bennett,
Dai Green.
John Merrick Thomas,
The Beasleys. Beth yn y bu yn chwaraeon. What about the sporting world?
Robert Croft,
Nigel Owens.
Ray Cavell,
Johnny Clayton.
Steph Hughes,
Edmund Hughes. Josh Adam.
Nakara Jenkins.
There is so much about Llanelli. Of course, our most famous song is Sosban. We love singing and dancing to it.
Rydyn ni'n dwlu canu a dansio I sosban fach.
Sosban bach, o feri yn y tap. Sosban bach, o feri yn y tap. Ac a feri safod Johnny bach.
Oggy, oggy, oggy.
Oi, oi, oi.
Oggy, oggy, oggy.
Oi, oi, oi.
Oggy.
Oi.
Oggy.
Oi.
Oggy, oggy, oggy.
Oi, oi, oi.
There are lots of businesses and industries in our area.
Farming, coal, Tonopolis, steel,
Tin plate.
Bus companies. Calsonic. Trostre. Devi Steel.
Cystadleuaeth.
Owens Transport.
We have loads of amazing landmarks in Llanelli.
Mae gen i
Stradey Castle.
Millennial Coastal Path.
Kidwilly Castle.
Parc Sgarlets.
Henry Country Park.
So after looking at our amazing locality, we thought that we could focus on the history and steel in the area. Yes, Trostre and Parc Sgarlets could be our buildings or landmarks because of our history.
Yes, that would look amazing on our mural.
Fyddai hwn yn edrych yn wych ar ei mirlun.
Steel and tin has been manufactured in Llanelli for decades, and of course on top of the rugby posts. Sosbans represent a symbol for the town.
Yes, we could have a sosban on our mural. And of course we have lots of famous rugby players in Llanelli. Phil Bennett, Ray Gravel, Stephen Jones, Scott Cannell, and of course we have current players like
Jonathan Davis. Gareth Davis. Liam Williams.
and we have Sgarlets ladies like Sinead Harris. Seeing those famous people on our mural would be great too. So Steel and Rugby could be our theme.